AP Intermediate First Year Textbook 2019-20 English Subject Grammar Part. Today we are going to learn about articles. A or an and the are called articles. A or an are called indefinite articles because they make the noun indefinite. The is called definite article because it is used before a noun to make the noun definite. A is used before indefinite singular countable nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Example: a month, a year, a week, a girl, a boy, a car, etc. An is used before indefinite singular countable nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Example: an orange, an elephant, an umbrella, etc. A is used before the occupation of a person. Example: a doctor, a teacher, a lawyer, etc. Some words start with a vowel letter, that is A-E-I-O-U, but have a consonant sound, so the article a is used before them. Example: a university, a European, a universal truth, etc. A is used before the abbreviations said as a word. Example: a SAARC country, a NATO member, etc. Some words begin with a consonant letter but sound is like a vowel. Example: an honesty, an hour, an honorable, etc. An is used before abbreviations. Example: an MLA, an RMP, an IAS, etc. A or an is used when a singular noun is introduced for the first time. Example: there lived a king. A or an is used in the sense of one. Example: please give me a 100 rupee note. A or an is used in the sense of any. Example: give me a pen. A or an is used to turn proper nouns into common nouns. Example: he thinks he is a Shakespeare, a great dramatist. A or an is used before a name if the speaker is new to that person. Example: a Mr. Murthy has come for you. A or an is used before single units to say rate or price. Example: 60 kilometers an hour. The is used before a noun which is unique. Example: the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. The is used before names of some countries. Example: the USA, the UK, etc. The is used before musical instruments. Example, the violin, the tabla, etc. The is used before mountains and group of islands. Example, the Andaman, the Himalayas, etc. The is used before deserts and valleys. Example, the Thar Desert, the Silent Valley, etc. The is used before the rivers and oceans. Example, the Godavari, the Pacific, etc. The is used before public places, designations, or titles. Example, the town hall, the headmaster, etc. The is used before the ordinal members and similar adjectives. Example, the second emperor, the last king, etc. The is used before directions. Example, the northeast, the southwest, etc. The is used when a noun is repeated. Example, there lived a king. The king had a daughter. The is used when the speaker and listener know it already. Example, have you read the book? The is used when a noun represents a race or class of people. Example, the cow is a sacred animal for the Hindus. The is used before standard religious texts. Example, the Bible, the Gita, etc. The is used when a noun is followed by a qualifying clause or phrase. Example, the man who is in white pajamas is my uncle. The plus language equal to people of the nationality. Example, the French are fashionable. The is used before musical instruments. Example, he plays the guitar. The plus adjective equal to people of that quality. Example, the rich hate the poor. The is used before superlative degrees. Example, Shakespeare is the greatest dramatist in English. The is used before comparative degree when one of the two is spoken about. Example, Jyoti is the taller of the two sisters. The is used when two comparatives are employed to show relatively. Example, the more you talk, the less I understand. The is used before church, temple, college, hospital, prison when visited for other purposes. Example, I went to the prison to meet the officials. Articles are not used before God in the universal sense. Example, God created the world. Articles are not used before man in the sense of humanity. Example, man is a social animal. Articles are not used before sports or games and diseases. Example 1, I play chess. Example 2, he died of cancer. Articles are not used before breakfast, dinner, lunch, etc. in the usual sense. Example, I take breakfast at 8 a.m. Articles are not used before uncountable nouns or plural nouns used in general sense. Example 1, gold is precious. Example 2, children are innocent. Articles are not used before names of people and countries. Example 1, I met Raju. Example 2, I love India. Articles are not used before languages. Example, English is an international language. Articles are not used before church, temple, college, hospital, prison when visited for their main purpose. Example, Christians go to church. Exercise. Arnima Sinha is dash first Indian amputee to climb Mount Everest. Answer is D. Arnima Sinha is the first Indian amputee to climb Mount Everest. I told him dash thousand times not to repeat the mistake. Answer is A. I told him 1,000 times not to repeat the mistake. Can you find me dash small house for rent? Answer is A. Can you find me a small house for rent? Rohit is dash IAS officer. Answer is an. Rohit is an IAS officer. He feels as if he were dash Kalidasa. Answer is A. He feels as if he were a Kalidasa. Dash police have been informed about the accident. Answer is D. The police have been informed about the accident. They sell oil at rupees 60 dash liter. Answer is A. They sell oil at rupees 60 a liter. Mummy is in dash kitchen. Answer is D. Mummy is in the kitchen. Here is dash pen you lost yesterday. Answer is the. Here is the pen you lost yesterday. Dash Bengal tiger is on extinction. Answer is the. The Bengal tiger is on extinction. Christians believe in dash Trinity. Answer is D. Christians believe in the Trinity. Hindus read dash Gita. Answer is D. Hindus read the Gita. Dash lady standing at the principal's room is my teacher. Answer is D. The lady standing at the principal's room is my teacher. Dash dinner I had at Anand Vihar is very heavy. Answer is D. The dinner I had at Anand Vihar is very heavy. Many freedom fighters used English to fight dash English. Answer is D. Many freedom fighters used English to fight the English. Dash Japanese are very intelligent. Answer is D. The Japanese are very intelligent. Dash flute and tabla make a wonderful combination. Answer is D. The flute and tabla make a wonderful combination. Do you know where I left dash book? Answer is D. Do you know where I left the book? For me, breakfast is dash best meal of the day. Answer is D. For me, breakfast is the best meal of the day. We skip dash dinner on Saturdays. Answer is no article. We skip dinner on Saturdays. My father came to Dash College to inquire about my performance. Answer is D. My father came to the college to inquire about my performance. Dash US and England are allies. Answer is D. The US and England are allies. The aeroplane belongs to Dash People's Republic of China. Answer is D. The aeroplane belongs to the People's Republic of China. Dash Himalayas are in the north of India. Answer is D. The Himalayas are in the north of India. Dash Maldives and the Andamans are in the east. Answer is D. The Maldives and the Andamans are in the east. Dash Rishi Valley is in Andhra Pradesh. Answer is The Rishi Valley is in Andhra Pradesh. Dash Thar Desert is also called the Great Indian Desert. Answer is The Thar Desert is also called the Great Indian Desert. Dash AP government has successfully connected both the rivers. Answer is The AP government has successfully connected both the rivers. They held dash meeting in the central library. Answer is They held the meeting in the central library. God created dash man. Answer is no article. God created man. Akbar is dash second greatest emperor among Mughals. Answer is Akbar is the second greatest emperor among Mughals. Babur is dash first Mughal king in India. Answer is Babur is the first Mughal king in India. Hockey is dash interesting game. Answer is Hockey is the interesting game. Dash higher we go, the cooler the weather turns. Answer is The higher we go, the cooler the weather turns. This is dash better of the two sarees. Answer is This is the better of the two sarees. Tripura is in dash northeast of India. Answer is Tripura is in the northeast of India. One day they will find medicine for dash AIDS. Answer is no article. One day they will find medicine for AIDS. Dash apples are good for health. Answer is no article. Apples are good for health. The apples of Kashmir are dash best. Answer is The apples of Kashmir are the best. Telugu is called dash Italian of the East. Answer is Telugu is called the Italian of the East. Thank you.